morning. You know, you can't flip on the TV to any talking head channel. You can't pick up a newspaper, the Wall Street Journal, the New York Times, the Washington Post, your local, without reading something that starts a year ago today, we were, because this has been an extraordinary year. But along with that, I'm noticing there's a lot of trends related articles, okay? What's going to stick around? So much has changed, right? Working from home. They're saying now between 25 and 35% of workers will continue to work from home in some form. Hybrid working. There was an article in the Wall Street Journal by Joanna Stern, the technology writer, and she was talking about how you're going to need to be more mobile than ever. You better tech up for that. And I say this because this is a terrific lead source. I'd say in the last 10 days, I've read articles that say that the airline industry is showing signs of a recovery. I know my Southwest stock has done very, very well. Thank you very much. The hotel industry is showing signs of recovery. The trade show, the $11 billion trade show, is coming back. And these kinds of stories give you a chance to get out ahead of the opportunity. Jump on it, come up with some programs, sell some solutions, but it starts with paying attention. I can't tell you how many times I talk to a coaching client or someone in the sales vault who says, I don't know who to call. I don't know who to talk to. Where are the leads coming from? It's not coming from a list. It's coming from paying attention. It's coming from reading between the lines in these articles. This is where the very best and most profitable and most loyal customers come from. It's your paying attention and then making a sales call around it. I could teach a whole class on this. Hey, wait, I already do. But right now, I want you to pay attention and have a great selling week, and I'll talk to you next week.